I forgot the worms in here last night. That'll smell bad. What's up, guys? It's Grant here from Always Adventuring. I'm going on a hike today with my friend Becca. We're going to be going to Talapus and Snoqualmie Lakes and Snoqualmie Pass. Should be a really cool time. I've only been here when it's been snowing, and there was probably like 3 or 4 feet of snow on the ground. So it should be cool to go there in the summer. I'm really looking forward to it. Should be another awesome day. What's up?
Hi.
Are you ready?
So ready.
Apologies if the car smells like fish. We went fishing yesterday and I forgot the worms in here.
Yeah.
Talapus. So we go here and we go up there, and then that's a lolly. Alright, we made it to the lake. This is a new spot I hadn't been to at the lake yet. This was too snowy to get down here last time I was here, but we got a really cool hammock spot. Check this out. This might be one of the better hammock spots we've found.
Bye, thanks.
Goodbye, see you later.
I don't know how to carry these, they're really gross. Okay, bye.
See ya. Made it back from the hike. Now I'm gonna make myself some food. Uh-oh. Alright, I'm home. I ate some food, which was good, but I have nothing else going on today except for some yard work and such, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. The weather's starting to get nicer here. June is usually pretty bad for where I live, but the weather's starting to get nicer, so there'll be a lot more videos on the way. While you're waiting for those, make sure to adventure, discover, and explore, and I will see you guys later. Peace. Oh, that's nice.